Hey everybody, Steve Richmond here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Another gorgeous, gorgeous day. Here to talk to you a little bit about the NauticStar. It's a 2302 Legacy version. It's a deep V hull. It's an offshore boat. And I got three things that I really like about this boat I want to share with you. Number one is the way they build the boat, where most manufacturers hand lay the fiberglass stringers. NauticStar, and they show this in the brochure, they build the stringer system, the rib cage of the boat, outside of the boat, fill it with flotation, drop it in, bond it to the hull, give you a lifetime warranty on that. It's not coming loose unless you get a chainsaw or something, but less man hours, a lot less labor intensive, still produces a great product and a great riding boat. Let's go take a look inside. The second thing I really like about this boat, seems simple, but it's just a nice touch. When you're boarding the boat, everybody steps on this cushion, messes it up. This comes off. You're able to get on the boat, not get sand or whatever. If you're hanging out at Shell Island, carrying heavy stuff, you've got a nice solid place to stand. Up here, another thing, it's nice, you don't usually see it on this level of boat, is the T-top mounted into the console. Most go straight to the floor, but that's just a great place to stub your toe or trip. Here they built it into the console like some of the high-end boats. Makes it a very nice touch. Of course, other features, there's tons of other features, but stainless steel switches are nice, stainless steel steering wheel, of course Yamaha powered, comes with trim tabs, awesome stereo, Simrad, a really cool compass. Again, you see that on the higher end boats. Painted T-top with speakers, place for mom to lay out while you're fishing the back. You got folks up here enjoying the sun, having a good time. I almost fell overboard right there. And of course, live well here. Give me a call at 850-358-0908. Steve Richmond, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Talk to you soon.